How to remove history in the Grab app. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove history in the Grab app. First, open the Grab application on your mobile device. Next, tap on Account from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Help Center. Choose your preferred Help Center language and tap OK, then tap Got it to proceed. After that, tap on Chat to get help. In the chat, type your request. I want to delete my history. Once you receive a response, type I want to delete my order history and send your message. Grab support team will assist you further with removing your history. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.